Hi, my name is Vic, and today we're learning about times tables. But first, you gotta know how to do your times tables. But this is an easy way to do times tables. You use your hands for a lot of things, like reading a book, putting on jewelry, and more things. But there's a way to do timetables with your hands for nines. So first, let's do 9 times 6. Take down the 6th finger, so it's 54. Now let's do 9 times 9, 81. Let's do 9 times 4, 36. But my favorite thing to do with it is do fun things like dancing.